Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your text color in rainbow color. So guys, before starting the videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get more informative videos every day. So guys, you can see here my text color is something cool, something different. So what you have to do to get this text color rainbow color on your Instagram story. So first of all, what you have to do, make sure that your Instagram application has been updated from Google Play Store. You have to update from here, and then after this, let me just open my Instagram, and then here what you have to do is just simply tap on the top left of your screen. There will be a camera icon, and then you have to go to create mode. So now I'm just showing in create mode now. So what you have to do here, so let me just type for hello dear FRI friends, hello dear friends. Okay, so guys, you can see here you can change the background of the color also. So let me just keep it as black, okay, or white. So let me just keep white, it will be visible nicely. So now guys, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold on the text. So you can see here, just press and hold, and then you have to select all. So guys, after selecting, what you need to do here, you have to just do one thing, that is just select one of the color, select all. After doing select all, you have to select color from here. You can see here, so let me just select blue color and keep and press and hold on the color, and then do like this. And then what you have to do, you have to just hold on the text, both the text and the color, and then you have to slide on the left side of your screen like this. You can see here the color is changing. You can see here the text color is been changing. So guys, after that, leave it. So guys, just click on done, and then you can see here guys, the color of the text is freaking cool. I hope you liked the video, and I'm gonna show you one more time again. So you can see here what you have to do, you have to simply select the text. Okay, keep in mind that you have to select the text, and then you have to select for your color. So if you want to go for rainbow color or any color, you have to just simply tap on the color like this, and then you have to go on the left or right side of your screen, and again you have to paste your finger on the both text and also the color. So after this, you can see here my finger is moving on the left side, and then you can see the color is been changing. So it's something cool. You can see here it's something cool. So guys, I hope you like this, and also I will know that you'll subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.